You want to do a quick review on this Craftsman portable fan. They have several different sizes. This is one of the smaller ones. Um, you see here, it'll fold up. It's pretty nice. You just throw it in a bag or stretch out. Stretch out like that. And you can turn it however you need to. You order these, make sure you get a Craftsman battery to go along with it. It doesn't come with one, but you can buy it with it. But the one I ordered, I forgot to check, and I didn't have the battery. But luckily, I already had a battery from my Craftsman leaf blower, so it fits both of them. So that's good and handy. It comes in see how it looks with the battery on it. Good for if you have a workbench you want to put it on, or carry it to the beach, or golf cart. I may be using it on the golf cart when I play golf. I live down south, and right now it's a little hot. It's today it was 95, and I think it's gonna be in the upper 90s most of the week. So it's good to have this here. Help cool off a little bit. You see the dial here. You hear the fan come on. You get that old dial. You get all the way up. And that's wide open. It blows out hard. Here's a piece of, I didn't have a regular piece of paper, but here's a piece of plastic. So you know if it blows that, I'll cut it down. But that's all the way off. That's about halfway. That's all the way up. See, it blows that plastic really good. I will show you blowing my hair, but I don't have much, so you can't do that. So, but this is the Craftsman fan, portable fan. It runs off a 20-volt battery. It's easy to install battery. Just put the button in. The fan's actually lighter than the battery, but with them together, they're still really not that heavy. So but if you need a good fan, I suggest this one here. Is the Craftsman portable fan. Check it out. If you want to order one, I'll leave a link in the description. So just click on the link. It'll carry you over. You can pick one up real quick. That way you don't have to search for it or anything. But check it out. I think you'll like it, and I know I do.